channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not new to my channel, welcome back. For today's video, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, that I will be doing a what's in my bag. And the bag that I'm showcasing, my voice, guys. I apologize. I've been sick over the weekend and I'm just barely getting better and my throat is very dry. That's why I have cough drops and stuff in my cough drops in my mouth. So anyways, where was I? Oh, so I'll be doing a what's in my bag, and the bag that I'll be showcasing is this bag right here. Isn't she a cutie? I didn't do an unboxing on this one on this channel, but I did an unboxing on this on my TikTok. I did purchase her about a month ago, and I did show her on my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on my socials, it will be linked down below, so go follow me. And yeah, so let's proceed. The way that I'm gonna do this video is I wanted to do what's in my bag first, and then after that I'll be doing a small review on this bag because I have my information on my iPad. So here is the bag, and I got the color, I believe it's blush nude if I'm not mistaken. I was originally gonna get the brown color. The neutral colors that I've seen were the brown or the argan oil, the black, and this one. And when I saw this one, I really fell in love and I just had to get it. So I have it, and I've had her for about a month and been using her for about a month. So today I'm gonna be showing you what's inside, basically for you guys to see what kind of fits inside. So that's how it looks like, guys. It is not zipped. I have to keep this on because I have to have the candy on because it's my throat is really dry. So it is not zipped because I have my iPad inside. So it does fit an iPad. I do have the iPad Pro 11-inch, which is this one right here. As you can tell, my case is very similar to the color of the bag, and it fits in there with no problem. The only thing that is kind of like a con is that you cannot zip the bag if you have it in there, but it's not a problem to me because as you can tell, when you have it inside, you cannot really tell that the iPad is inside unless you're looking from above. So that's that. And I also have my phone. There is a pocket inside. I'll probably do that last. And I also have, well, the mask that I used earlier. And I have my Dior pouch right here. I did do an unboxing on this, or it was part of my Dior unboxing. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll be putting the card or the link to the video over here. And so this is the pink one. If you guys want to know what's inside here, then maybe just comment down below or something. And I also have my card case. I don't really carry a full-size wallet a lot recently, so I usually just carry my card case. And I have my card case, which is attached to my key clay or key pouch. I have a receipt. We went to a restaurant over the weekend, and that's that receipt. I also have my cough drops. I only have one left. And that is it for the main compartment. Now for the pocket, guys, this is the pocket. And it does have a pocket, a small pocket right here. I don't really put anything on there. I have my phone right here. This is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it fits perfectly fine. It fits perfectly right there, so there's no problem trying to put it in there or taking it out. And then I have a pen. I have a pen right there. And I just have, like, I think this is the care card. I'm gonna leave it over there. So that is empty, guys. As you can tell, inside the interior color is brown. It's a really pretty brown. I love it. And this is the zipper closure. and it does come with a gold hardware, and it zips beautifully, no problem. And at the end right here, it actually has a magnet, so when it goes inside, it magnetizes on the side, so it's not just hanging on the side right there. So yeah, and as you can tell, it is a top handle, so you can actually put this one on the crook of your arm like so. You cannot put it over your shoulder. The size large you can, but not for the small or the mini. And this is the detachable straps that it came with. I don't have to unstrap it, right there. So that's how it looks like, guys. And I just have my Dior Mitza scarf over here because I feel like I thought that the pink matches the bag perfectly, so I put it in there. And that is it for what is inside my bag. So you guys can kind of tell what can fit in there. This bag is actually comparable to a Speedy B25, and I have it right here. This is a Speedy B25, and they're pretty much comparable to each other. The size is about the same, and this one's just a little bit bigger on the is it? Yeah, it is. It is just a little tad wider, but it's practically about the same size, so you can tell what can fit inside. What's just nice about this one is just, like I said, the zipper closure. I love it because I do love tote bags. If everybody that knows me, they know that I love tote bags. So that's one of the reasons why I got this one. And what I like about it is the zipper closure, like I mentioned earlier, and it fits a lot of the things that I need on a day-to-day basis. I also use this as a diaper bag at times when I go out for errands and I have my son with me, and I put a couple of milk bottles in here, the formula, diapers, and wipes. So this is also a good short, like a mini errand day with your baby. So it's very, very versatile, very handy. It's very sturdy. I love the structure. That's one of the things that I like too, is the structure. It's not slouchy because of the leather, and it's easy to clean. So for the price, guys, this is the size mini. Sorry. So this is the size mini, and this retails for $375. The size small, I believe, retails for $450. And I'm not sure if I mentioned it earlier, but the neutral colors that I've seen were basically a black, brown, and pink. And I chose this one. I'm actually thinking of getting the size small, because that's the size small actually fits a laptop. I believe a 13-inch laptop would fit in there, maybe a 15, I'm not exactly sure, but I'm looking into that. I do want to get the brown. It's just beautiful. But like I said, this is how it looks like. Let me see if I can show you guys. So that is it, guys. Did you guys like this bag? Are you guys thinking of getting it? Is it on your wish list? What color would you get it in, and what size? Or if you guys already have it, what color, what material did you guys get it in? And comment down below, just let me know. And what else do you guys do? If you guys have any question, let me know down below. And I hope you guys like this video. I haven't really done a what's in my bag in such a long time, so I'm hoping to do more because I really do like these type of videos. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.